Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You're starting right in. Open the document and inspect the background source. First, use View Print Layout to confirm the page color is real. Next, check Format Page Color. If it's black, you can change it here. If page color is not set, click into the body and look for a full-page image, drawing, or table with a fill. Once you've identified whether it's page color or an element, you'll know which removal step to take next. Now you remove or neutralize the culprit. If it's page color, open Format Page Color and pick white or transparent to eliminate the black. If it's an image or drawing, click on it, then press Delete or use the Replace option to swap it for a transparent asset. Also toggle text wrapping so it doesn't reflow oddly. For tables, select the table, open Table Properties and change the cell background to white or none. Make sure to check headers and footers too, since those can contain overlays. Finish by confirming the change across the whole document. Scroll every page and inspect headers and footers for lingering fills. Once done, save and, if you still see black, clear your browser cache or reload in incognito to rule out rendering glitches. If an inserted element stubbornly returns, copy the text into a new blank doc to preserve content without background. Finally, export to PDF to verify the result before sharing. This helps catch any device-specific display problems you might otherwise miss.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.